In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete IC Markets device access. By the end, you'll know how to remove a trusted device, lock out old sessions, and what to do if you suspect someone else has your login. First, let's use the device management option in your client area. Sign in to your IC Markets client area as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon or your initials. Hover over that and choose the option labeled Manage Devices. This page shows every device that currently has permission to access your account, such as your phone, tablet, or computer. Find the device you want to remove, then click Delete in the Action column. A confirmation box will pop up to make sure you really want to do this. Confirm Delete, and that device will be revoked immediately. If you still use that device, be aware you'll need to log in again later, so only remove devices you truly want to disconnect. If you can't get to device management or want a broader reset, change your client area password. From your client area, go to Profile or Security, then select Change Password. Create a new, strong password that's unique to this account. After you save it, any device still using the old password will instantly lose access and be forced to sign in again. This is a great catch-all if you think your credentials might have been shared or exposed. If you suspect unauthorized access or you want everything reset across the board, contact IC Market Support through their official channels. Ask for an account security reset and a full session or device logout. For security reasons, make sure you send the request from your registered email address on file. This helps them verify it's really you and speeds up the process. Act quickly in a few key situations. Do this right away if you ever logged in on someone else's phone or a shared computer, or if you see any signs of hacking, like logins from places you don't recognize. And don't forget to secure your email account as well, since it's often the key to password resets. Make sure you can access it safely and review recent activity if your provider offers that feature. To recap, remove specific devices through Manage Devices for precise control, change your password to disconnect everything using old credentials, and reach out to support for a full reset if you're concerned about security. Stay safe and keep your access to your trading account firmly in your hands.